And here we can see another types of the motor housing. This more like traditional motor housing. Yeah. And the Yontone is specialized in customize the motor housing for our clients, and we make molds. And this one is bigger. We make molds, die casting, and machining for our customer. We can compare this with the other motor housings. You can see here. This one and the aluminum extrusion. And also we have this one. This one is also the motor house. It's customized for our clients. So you can see for the die casting motor housing, it can have very different shapes like this. But if this part was made by extrusion, and this, you need to add another part to make such kind of construction. Thanks for watching today's video, and Yontone is customized for our clients, the die casting mold, die casting and the machining, motor housings and other parts. We are expert for more than 30 years, and if you are interested, please contact us with by email or WhatsApp. And thanks for watching. See you next video.